Hi friends, welcome back to our spooky nail art extravaganza just in time for Halloween. Get ready to dive into the mystical realm of dark and enchanting designs that will add an extra touch of frightful glamour to your Halloween festivities. In this video, I will showcase a wide range of error and bewitching nail art ideas that are sure to leave you mesmerized and inspired. So, dear viewers, gather your nail polish collection, prepare your tools, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable nail art adventure with me. Halloween is just round the corner and your nails are about to steal the show. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more nail art inspiration. And your comments are also valuable for me. So comment me and join us on this unique journey and let your creativity run wild as you transform your nails into works of art that will captivate and intrigue you. Whether you are attending a costume party, going trick or treating, or simply embracing the Halloween spirit, these nail art ideas are the perfect way to showcase your unique style and make a bold statement. Dear viewers, if you learn how to achieve the finest details using different nail art techniques including stamping, freehand paintings and using nail decals, our video will share inspired secret on how to make your designs last longer and maintain that flawless finishes, ensuring your nails remains a haunting beautiful masterpiece throughout the Halloween season. As you know that by this video, discover the art of perfecting intricate spider webs, creeping jack-o'-lanterns, and hunting graveyard scenes. I will delve into the world of stunning color combinations featuring dark and mysterious shades like deep purple, bold red, and midnight blacks. But don't worry, if you prefer a touch of glitter and sparkle, then you can do it. And I have dazzling options that will make your nails truly unique, mesmerizing. Dear viewers, by this video, you can see very unique ideas providing valuable tips and tricks along the way. Whether you are a nail art lover or a beginner, we have got something for everyone. So prepare you to unleash your inner creativity as we explore a variety of the unique themes, from haunted mansions to wicked witches and everything in between. So all ideas are about you. Thanks for watching.